welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shane. We're here celebrating Toni-ann Singh. Big day. Toni-ann Singh will love you. Jamaica, we are out there. We're out there by the grace of God. Toni-ann Singh, bless. God bless Jamaica. God bless this island. You're a very beautiful young girl. Just check out this footage. I'm gonna show you the footage for who I've never got the chance to see what happened yesterday. Check it out. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe before you leave this YouTube channel. My name is Shane. Thank you for liking, thank you for sharing. Toni-ann Singh, God bless you. God bless you, girl. Go forth and do great things in the name of Jesus Christ. Go forth and do great things.
India. Second place is France. And Miss World 2019 is Jamaica.
Toni-ann Singh from Jamaica is crowned Miss World 2019.
Miss World 2019, and I think it's time for a party.
Yep.
Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe before you leave this YouTube channel. My name is Shane. Thank you for liking, thank you for sharing. Toni-ann Singh, God bless you. God bless you, girl. Go forth and do great things in the name of Jesus Christ.